I guess so. Hold on, there's Hadaf, what's up? Yes. Even if it's plastic. But there should be one. Yeah, see one that will fit perfectly on it. This is done. You know, I need you to go put this in the freezer. Wrap it. I almost don't want to cover it. I feel like it's gonna get messed up.
They're all big.
It's okay. We can put that on top. Kone. You're gonna take the entire strainer in there. Yeah, where are you going? We have to decorate it. Hey, Mom, put this in the freezer for me. Put it nice and flat.
If you don't stop recording me, Jim.
Hot. Huh? Yeah, you can use those.
Look at that highlight. I like that highlight. Corny smile. Is this behind the scenes?
Thank you, Abu.
Now is it behind the scenes?
Stress. This is stress.
Get me the salad, Ima.
That's okay, get up.
Wait, yo, you started these kids, man. You started them. Poor thing. They're hungry. You had a long day.
Amin. Bismillah.
You can zipper the Fazaya of the Lazy. You can zipper the Fazaya.
Smile. Just smile. Smile. Mr. Smile. I can make it someday. Go.
So we're going to the trail to get our shot in the woods, but the sun is like setting right now. We got ready and I waited for Abu and all of them to come. I asked your mom to go call Abu, and then they went and started playing basketball while we were here waiting for them, and they just showed up and it's late. So I don't know how this shot is gonna turn out. I have no idea, but we just go. We're all out of breath. So we wanted to get a shot right here with the sun shining by the lake. So they rode the bikes and they're there already, and we're just trailing behind. And I'm just out of breath because I was like almost running. But yeah, we're here, but the sun is not so out there. Yeah, the sun is like setting right there. So you go like that? Are you following me?
He's lying. Abdullah is hot up.
Okay.
He's gonna do it.
So it's gonna be like that. I need you to
get out.
Is that hot up?
Okay, Nadia, look at the camera. Look at Abu's camera. Make sure look at Abu's camera and smile. Iman, hold your hand. Abu's camera. Maisa, look at Abu's camera and smile. Imam, hold your hand. Pause. Did you get it?
Hadif, look, Maisa, Hadif. Wait, what? Hadif, Maisa, Hadif.
Look at Abu's camera.
Hadif. Maisa.
Put your foot on it.
Hadif.
Maisa, look, everybody look at Abu.
Is there something else?
Make him laugh.
You better get your hand next to my cake.
Make Maisa laugh.
Okay, quick, Abu. Put his foot on it. Quick. Abu, don't get it.
Listen back. No.
He's too far. Okay, it's okay. Let him. Okay, you said 1, 2, 3. Abu, start over. Say 1, 2, 3. And...
He was doing handstands. You're a cat, you said.
Freaking sleepy.